Yo, this your boy EV Smoke. Hey, I'm doing a little quick video right here as I'm finna replace this last smoke detector in the home. This is my I did a video on my YouTube channel. Go check that out about CO, carbon monoxide, that poison, the silent killer. That I did a whole video on that, and at the time I was talking about replacing this and the traditional smoke detectors because they all have a 10-year lifespan, and time has fly. So I basically just replaced all the ones in the house right here pretty much. And then this one right here, like I said, I bought this one here a while back when we had our apartment and so on before we built and so on. You know, I'm a techie guy. I love to have that technology as well, you know, to have it on my, have it on my smartphone and, controlling and doing whatever, updates and all that good stuff. But that's the old one here. It went out like last year, September 28 or 25, 10 years out of that. So that's the new one here. So, but this new one here, this was just all battery. This was strictly battery. This one here.
Hi, from Nest. Hola, saludos de Nest.
This one here is battery backup, of course, a power glove, but I'm a hardwired in to the house with this one replacing the other smoke detector. I used to have both of them there. That was overkill.
Listo. Presione el botón para realizar la prueba.
I chose the wrong one. But that, I'm sorry about that. I was listening to the prompt. But so I had two of them downstairs, basically, kind of like a little overkill. But I just said this time I'm just gonna, sort of, buying an extra one. I just bought what I needed, and like I said,
Hola, saludos de Nest.
Replace this one. Yeah. So I'm finna set it up right quick, real easy. But yeah, check out my full YouTube video on that as well. It's pretty interesting. I talk about carbon monoxide and dealing with the car. Somebody had lost their life with carbon monoxide poison.
Es solo una prueba.
But yeah, so basically this one's just gonna go up here.
La prueba iniciará en 10 segundos.
Just like this, real easy and simple. I actually can program this from the app as well. So that's the power. I like to just make sure. I did a test there earlier, so. Come on. Or maybe the battery. I think the battery still got to be in there for backup, for safety. Yeah, because that got a.
Saludos de Nest.
I think.
Listo.
I think because this got an emergency.
Listo. Presione el botón para realizar.
So I'm gonna pair it up.
Prueba de monóxido de carbono.
All right, so I just forgot, silly old me. I I forgot I got the power killed on the neutral and the brown black wire. So this is battery. Like I said, it's battery backup. Got them good lithiums in there for emergencies, like if the power go out, like right now. So it's steady working now. So let me go turn the brake on. Let me go turn the brake on right quick. That's what it was. The breaker. So let me go ahead and turn that on. Let's see. This breaker here. I did it earlier, so bam. So let's see. Let's see. I think we should be in business now. So let me test it out right quick. Without the battery in there. Yep.
Listo.
Yep.
Presione el botón para realizar la prueba.
So put the battery back in there. So what you want to do, I'll take one of my phones out. Add product. Scan. I gotta put all the information in. I'll be right back. All right, so like I said, everything's good there. The wire's nice and secure. You want to make sure all that, don't play with that. Make sure them wires, the ends are all secure in place. So we're gonna put that back in there, put it on, and then it turns and locks up. Yep. So there we go, nice and secure. Now I gotta change the language because
Listo.
it's
En la
in
entrada
Spanish.
principal. Presione el botón para realizar la prueba.
But there you go. Just that simple. Extra protection, smart smoke alarm, and carbon monoxide. Check out the YouTube channel as well. It's your boy EV Smoke. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.